In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the program called handbrake. Handbrake allows you to convert video files into correct format. So I'll go ahead and drag the video over here. And this is a .avi video that I'm dragging over, which doesn't work with my video program. So once I drag it over, I can go ahead and select my format. I'll be using mp4 format. After you drag it over, pretty much all the settings come over as needed. You don't really need to make any changes, but there are a few things you can do if you want, like change the dimensions, as well as add some filters. You can sharpen it, that kind of stuff. And then there's some other things like audio tracks you can add, as well as subtitles, but I'm not going to be doing any of that here. Well, first we'll go ahead and change our video file to desktop, and I'll be changing the format from M4A to mp4. Then we can go ahead and save it. Once the file path is correct, click on Start Encode at the top, and depending on how long your video will take will depend on the time it takes to encode this. My video is about 2 minutes long, so it'll only take a few seconds to do. At the bottom right, you can also change on what will happen when it's done. And it's almost done here, and there it goes. So at the bottom left, it will say that it has been finished. So I'll drag the video over here and make sure that it works. And there it goes, looks good. Don't see any errors. And that's it. That's how you use the handbrake software to convert video formats.